Hey everyone, welcome back to Assad YT. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to start with $0 and make real money from crypto for free? Well, today I'm sharing my personal story of how I turned nothing into $1,000 just by claiming free crypto airdrops. And trust me, these aren't random tips, these are actual results I got this year. So make sure you watch till the end. Step 1. What are airdrops? Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about airdrops. Airdrops are when crypto projects give away free tokens to users. Sometimes it's for signing up, sometimes for joining a community, or even just for holding another coin. It's a legit way to get free crypto, but you need to know which ones are worth your time. Step 2. My first $100. My first free crypto came from a project called Getgracio. All I had to do was sign up and share my internet. Within a week, I received my first $50 worth of tokens. I didn't think it would grow, but over time, it doubled. That was the moment I realized airdrops could actually add up. Step 3. Biggest win. $500 airdrop. Then came my biggest win. A project called Project Also Grass gave away tokens just for sharing my internet by extension and completing a few simple tasks. I got $500 in tokens, and I still hold some of them today. This showed me that the key is consistency. The more airdrops you participate in, the higher your chances of big rewards. Step 4. Strategy to earn $1,000. So how did I reach a total of $1,000? Here's my strategy. 1. Track active airdrops daily on websites like example CoinMarketCap. 2. Prioritize legit projects. Check their community and roadmap. 3. Complete small tasks quickly, often social media shares, surveys, or joining Telegram groups. 4. Be patient. Some tokens take months to list on exchanges. Step 5. Avoiding scams. Now, a quick warning. Not all airdrops are safe. Avoid any airdrop that asks for your private keys or huge payments. Legit airdrops never ask for money. Always double-check the project before participating. A little caution goes a long way. Step 6. My final thoughts. From $0 to $1,000 might not make you rich, but it's free money you can't ignore. The best part? You're learning about crypto while earning. If you follow the strategies I shared, you could start seeing similar results. And the earlier you start, the better. If you enjoyed this story, hit that like button and subscribe for more free crypto tips and airdrops. Also, comment below if you've ever earned from an airdrop. I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.